What is a business that's aligned with your lifestyle? It is one that aligns with your ideal routine. So I mentioned before in one of the previous episodes that every morning, with almost without fail, I practice something called a miracle morning. And I first learned about miracle morning when I read, actually, it's called the Savers. The practice is called Savers. And I first learned about miracle morning when I was in a course offered by someone who does a fantastic job of helping us all see that we have these skills and abilities, and we can take these skills and abilities to launch businesses. And in that course, one of the modules featured some books to help us, get and stay motivated. One of them was The Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs by Hal Elrod. Hal writes in the book about Savers, and Savers stands for silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and S stands for scribing, which we all know is another word for writing. And without fail, almost every single morning, I practice my Savers. And that is a routine that is very important to me. And having my business allows me to integrate that routine into my mornings.